How you doing? This is Kelly Cole with Go Free, Go Green. I'm here at Electric Suntan, their newest location on the Volunteer Parkway. I'm here with the owner, Miss Debbie Dunn Sourbeer. How you doing, Debbie?
I'm doing great, Kelly.
Great to have you today. I'm going to let you tell our customers a little bit about what you do here at Electric Suntan.
Okay, Kelly. We have several different locations. We have one in Abingdon, Virginia, exit 14. We have one on Commonwealth Avenue, Bristol, Virginia. And now, like you said, we opened our third one on the Volunteer Parkway next to Walmart. We have tanning in all three locations. We also have Mystic Tan spray booths in all three locations. That is totally UV free. It's a booth that you go in. No one's in there spraying you. It's totally private. It sprays you with a natural looking color, no orange effect. We're the only one in the Bristol, Abingdon area that has the booth.
Awesome.
And also we now have teeth whitening, which is really good. It actually makes your teeth 3 to 6 shades whiter in an application. And we have it on special right now for $50, so
Wow.
that's a great deal.
That's an awesome deal.
Yeah.
All right, I see you're holding Pure Green 24. Can you tell us a little bit about what you've been doing
Yes,
with that?
I love the Pure Green 24. We are very careful about cleanliness at Electric Sun.
Yes.
We like to make sure that everything's disinfected and cleaned really good, because I don't want my family to tan anywhere that I wouldn't want to tan.
Right.
So I want my customers to feel comfortable. And this product does all of that. It disinfects. It cleans everything down to the H1N1 virus,
Awesome.
AIDS virus, just anything that you might want to, make sure you clean up for tanning
Yes.
salon. And so we also like it because it's environmentally safe, and it's odorless, colorless. It's just a very good product.
That is awesome. I do want to also add about the Pure Green 24. It is EPA approved, CDC endorsed, and it's also, like she said, it has no harmful chemicals. It's safe to use in the house, all right? So we thank you, Debbie, so much for doing this with us.
Thank you.
All right, if you want to get your own bottle of the Pure Green 24, go to gofreegogreen.com/save the planet, or look in our description block. There should be a link or below or above this video. We thank you so much. Look forward to having you as a customer.